I haven't picked a song for the beginning of the video yet, so let me just say something real fast. Welcome to my channel. It's the Pepsi channel. Hi you guys, it's Pepsi back with another freaking video. And in this video, y'all already see what I'm about to show y'all. Y'all, everyone been asking me for my recipe, and when I show y'all my recipe, please do not laugh at me, okay? Because I make my Big Mac different, and I will explain why later on in the video. So I am making baked mac and cheese my way, the Pepsi way. You feel me? So anyways, let's get into this. Triple cheddar, Gouda. Now Gouda, I don't use this brand, but this all they had at the store. Gouda, I don't put a lot of Gouda in it, but Gouda really gives it that different taste. Kobe Jack. Sour cream. I'm using sour cream. I usually use sour cream and cream cheese together. It's a hit. Buttermilk, smoked paprika, a box of macaroni and cheese, elbow, because I'm gonna mix it to make more, mustard, garlic salt, pepper, and of course salt. Now the way I like my baked macaroni, I do not like a over seasoned baked macaroni. I don't know why some people season a baked macaroni as if they season their meat, but honey, it do not need all that seasoning. I like a plain, simple, cheesy baked macaroni. Okay, if it got some type of seasoning to it, taste to it, I would not eat it. I would literally throw it away if I'm eating at your house. Sorry. But anyways, let's get into this video. Okay, so you always want to start with boiling water, and then you want to add your pasta into the water. I did use one full box of Kraft mac and cheese, and then I added about a half of the other box. So 1.5 boxes of macaroni. And you want to make sure you do not overcook these noodles. You want to make sure that they are al dente. And then once you do that, drain all the water from the macaroni. You already know why it's 2 different colors, because I used 2 different boxes. Now you want to add the package of cheese. And then I am going to add the other cheeses, which is the triple cheddar, and then the Kobe and Jack. Now I'm only going to put half a bag of the first 2 cheeses, and then for the Gouda, I'm going to add just a little bit. I don't want a strong Gouda taste. I just want the Gouda taste to be in the macaroni. Okay, mix that all together. Now you want to add the buttermilk, and then you want to add some mustard. I don't know how much mustard I use. Probably like 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoons of mustard. And then I'm going to add the sour cream. Now the sour cream is soft because I had it sitting out. Then you want to mix all this together like so. It should look like that. It shouldn't be watery at all. Now you want to add the seasoning. I am adding garlic salt because you already know that's my favorite seasoning. And I'm adding paprika, smoked paprika, and pepper. Then I added just a little bit more buttermilk. And then add half of the cheese that's in each bag, not including the Gouda. Do not add any more Gouda, okay? I forgot about the butter. I did use 1 tablespoon of butter. I just cut it up in slices. So when I mix it together, it can be evenly mixed throughout the whole big macaroni. So now here's the funny part. You may think that I'm going to say, put it in the oven. No, we're cooking this on top of the stove. We're going to use a non-stick skillet. Make sure it's non-stick. If you don't have a non-stick skillet, please put some type of spam down or whatever it's called, Pam. I said spam. But anyways, what we're going to do is add the first layer of macaroni, and then we're going to add some more cheese. And what we're going to do is use half of the bag that is left which is the Kobe and Jack and triple cheddar. Now we're going to add the top layer. And I already added the top layer. You're just going to sprinkle the rest of the cheese that's in the bag on the top layer. Then I'm going to add some smoked paprika on top of it. Now, y'all, the reason why I decided to cook it on the stove, it is because when I cook it in the oven, it seems like the flavor is just not there. But when I cook it on the stove for 30 minutes, under simmer, okay? Do not cook it on 1, 2, 3. Put it on simmer, okay, for 30 minutes. It turns out perfect, y'all. It turns out the perfect baked macaroni. But anyways, I will be right back to you once the 30 minutes is up to show y'all the finished results. Okay, y'all, it's been 30 minutes, so let's see what this baked macaroni is looking like. You see it. You see them crispy edges? Yes, honey. Yes. Just look at it. That's enough looking. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. If y'all do try this recipe out, please let me know in the comments below. If y'all got a video recommendation for me, please let me know that too. And yeah, peace out until next time. Wait until the end so y'all can see the whole meal that I cooked. But anyways, peace out.